is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice Argon blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 6.7 liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with a nice 8-foot box with black appearance package, Lariat premium package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. We do get side bed steps as well, rear park sensing, your tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely bed liner so you're not scratching up your paint, and you do get tailgate step, bed camera. We got platform gripped running boards with keyless entry keypad, fully powered trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light spotlight indicated, and move to the front park sensing, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system with cup holders, rear vents, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks with power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, upgraded B&O sound system, lights, tailgate, spotlights, park make, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 25 kilometers. Got this nice leather app steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control. We got digital speedometer, RPMs, all the usual stuff here, with driving assist, my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Tons of storage to my right with wireless charging and outlets, and it does close. More cup holders if need be. Pretty handy. You got your center console here with upper and lower storage with a light, 2 USB-Cs. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with dual climate up front, heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please, a nice powered rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, engine brake, hill assist, traction hazards, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. Here's that nice bed camera so you can keep an eye on your goods. We do get our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, navigation where you can search recent saved, zoom in and out, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE95253, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.